And the Writers XP goes to Vincent Joku.
Hi, I'm Kristen Pope, and we're live here in New York in Times Square at the Hard Rock Cafe. I've just been joined by Vincent Joku, who won a Writers Award. Vincent, tell me how you're feeling.
I'm feeling great. It's been a wonderful night, great experience. A lot of people out here, so having a good time. So you can't beat it.
Tell me about what this award means to you.
It means a lot to me. To me, it's a lot of motivation. It keeps me moving forward, keeps me focused, on the things that I want to accomplish in the future. So it makes me, stay on that path that I wanted to, and I keep working hard until I get to the point that I want. So
tell me a little bit about what went into your work.
Well, it's more like inspirational, a lot of motivation, how you can accomplish your goals. So I put it together just to inspire people, so that get inspired and just achieve your goals. So,
is there anyone you'd like to thank?
I want to thank my family, my friends, my fans, my supporters, everybody out there, man. So, thanks to y'all.
Fantastic. Congratulations. I'm Kristen Pope. We're live here in New York at the 2014 XP Awards.